Hey guys, it's me Emily, and today's video is totally different from my others. Today I'm going to be testing out Tasty's video of macchiato macarons. I am not a baker and have never made macarons before, so this video was very interesting to film because I messed up a bunch of times, but please do not come after me. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and the link to the original Buzzfeed Tasty video will be in the description. First up is the cookie of the macaron, and the following is just the ingredients and measurements of each ingredient you need.
That I said all that. Is it chill that you're in my head? 'Cause I know that it's delicate.
So now I sifted together almond flour, powdered sugar, and espresso powder. And I sifted it all together, but I made a mess because everything just went all over the place. I just did not know how to do it correctly for some reason. So here I took 3 egg whites from 3 eggs and I poured that in a bowl and whisked it until soft peaks formed. But I made the mistake of using a whisk instead of a hand mixer, so I was doing it for a while and my hand really hurt. Next I added sugar in, but I also made the mistake of adding all the sugar instead of adding 1/3 of it at a time. So that was probably why the macarons didn't turn out as good. I also learned my lesson and used a hand mixer this time. So next I added all the sifted ingredients into the egg whites and sugar mixture and folded the sifted ingredients into the egg whites.
Is it cool that I said all that? Is it too soon to do this yet? 'Cause I know that it's delicate.
Next I put the mixture into a piping bag with a round tip and piped it onto a tray, but as you can see I overmixed the batter and this is why it came out very runny and it's spread out. I'm slamming the tray against the table to get rid of any air bubbles, and then I'm going to preheat the oven to 285 degrees and put aside the macaron cookies for 1 hour until a skin has formed on top. And as I waited for the macaron cookies and for the oven to preheat, I made the filling.
3rd floor on the west side, me and you, handsome, you're a mansion with a view.
To make the filling, I combined powdered sugar, butter, and vanilla extract and whisked it until the right consistency.
Do the girls back home touch you like I do? Long night, keep your hands up in my...
After an hour, I checked to see if a skin had formed on the cookies, and it sure did. So I put the 2 trays of macaron cookies into the oven after preheated at 285 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes in the oven, I took out the macaron cookies and let it cool. I accidentally deleted the clips of me filling the macarons, but I have some images that I took of the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video even though I messed up a bunch of times. And also, don't forget to comment down below some other recipes you'd like me to try out. It doesn't have to be Buzzfeed Tasty. Also, I'm saying also a lot by the way. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Don't you say, don't you say, don't say, don't you